Okay, guys, this is a segment that I'm going to show something. We've just been walking through the forest, coming back from where we were by the cave field. Look at this. Look at that, how it's laid across there. This log has been shoved, and there's no work of saw. Okay, say, well, maybe human. No. Look at the height. That's 9-10 feet high, isn't it? Yeah.
You want to get a comparison here.
Yeah, but look, see, these are like broken by a giant. Huh?
You can show comparison how tall.
Oh, okay, yeah. Just to give you an idea. Now, our buddy up in western Colorado calls these perches. You know, like a bird perches.
So I'm 5'9".
Right. Okay.
That'll give you an idea how tall it is.
Yeah. It's his height. It's the exact height of a Bigfoot. He would be. That's 10 feet. That's easily 10 feet. Now, look at all this stuff here on the ground. See this? These are hand broke. There's no sign of saw. Anything. See, he laid up another one here at the almost exact height of 10 feet. It's like he did measurements. See, 1, 2, like a perch. It's like a perch for a monkey. I know people are gonna get mad I said that, but it is. It's like that's something you would see, you know, a great ape do, exactly at 10 feet tall. Then, I mean, you can see the wood here that's been used. Look at that. There's no, a human didn't do that. How the hell are you gonna do that? You know what I'm saying? And look at how this is wedged in there. Just perfect. Just perfect. You found another hand axe? We've been collecting hand axes as we go along. So I'm just poking around here because somebody's been, all the years I've come back here, this was never there. Never. So this is all new stuff. Big log laid here. All dead wood. See how this is stacked. He laid this log here. All this that he was going to use, but it looks like, see, look at that. He was broken with his hand. This is not the work of humans, guys. And it are fresh breaks. And look at how he wedged it in there. Just perfect. Right at, it's got to be, what, 10 feet, 9-10 feet exact. So then, what did I see over here? Oh, look at that. Check it out. Laid in an arrow. But I've never, ever in all the years we've come back here, and I've been in this exact spot numerous times, have I ever seen a perching like that. That's not human, because again, there's no sign of a who comes out in the forest and uses rocks, hand axes. Nobody. That's, like I said, even Les Stroud carries a blade or an axe. That is unusual. That's a great find, Susan. That just made our day. I don't know. I mean, look. Oh, well, I just stepped there. That could be me. That's part of the problem with this type of ground. But look at this. Look at that. A perch. Perfect length, perfect height. It's like he just lifted it up and said, oh, this will fit perfect right there. I'll be damned. Okay, find number 2 for the day. What's the date today, by the way? June 2nd, 2020. In the area, one of our hot zones, finding new things, which means our buddy here that I spent all those years trying to court is still here. He's still doing the same thing. See, this isn't human. Look at these breaks. There's just like snaps. He just snaps them off and places them. Although that doesn't look, that log, I mean, it seems sturdy. It doesn't look like it could hold an 850-pound. So I don't know, maybe he just did it for...
Maybe it's symbolic to like a doorway or something.
That could be also, because if you looked straight down by this boulder.
Here, did you see this one?
Oh, the hand axe? Yes,
Yeah,
look at
with
this. See, these are what we're collecting,
It's
guys.
like the fourth one today.
Look at how sharp that is. And see, because Bigfoots don't have axes or hands, they do what cavemen do. So I'm collecting these as artifacts. You have a place for your thumb, or another thumb here, see? It just fits into the hand perfect to chop off wood or bark or whatever you're doing. So I'm hanging on to this one, but this is really neat.
The big logs over there on the cliff.
Yeah, I got those pointing in that direction over there. But yeah, a perch, I'll be darned. And look at how he fit that in there. Isn't that incredible? It's like,
It's just perfectly fit.
and across, it's like, yeah, he just said, I'm just going to stick a log up in the tree.
The other one's going the other way across too.
And he fit it in there just perfect. It's almost mathematical.
Yeah.
10 feet high. That's his. If we were looking up at a Bigfoot, that's exact height he would be standing down.
Yeah.
Look at you. That's 10 feet easy right
Yeah.
there. I'll be darned. But you were saying like a window. Look where it's pointing. So you walk through the doorway or the portal doorway or whatever he's doing here.
And this is a
And there's a
too,
yeah. That's
right where the doorway is.
he used all this wood. See, he was probably going to add more to it. But look, see, there's a window between that boulder, kind of like an alley pointing that way. So I just want to go peek down there and see what's around that boulder. Because if you're right, and it's symbolic of a doorway or a window, then he's showing. There's another one of your wild orchids, or no, wait, that's wild asparagus right there, I
No,
think.
that's an orchid. You can tell by the. This one doesn't have blossoms, but the other one I got a good blossom on.
See, the thing is pointing, it's a deer print there. He's pointing right here. He's saying, whatever. So we can go down here and see what's around the corner. Okay. Looking east towards Kiowa, named after the great Ute Queen, Kiowa, eastern Colorado. Another hand axe. This one's a beauty too, kinda. Very sharp edges, made for cutting. And that, I mean, that's razor sharp. That's crazy. Here you got some more. Look at all of them. So this is maybe where he's getting them. See, he's
Getting them from this cliff.
this just is all dead wood here. I don't know. He's pointing at something. It could be he's pointing a window. What a beautiful view looking towards Kiowa. You know what I'm saying? That could maybe be symbolic of what he's trying to say. Because it's a really neat find. It's just I don't know if that would support maybe a juvenile did it. I don't.
I don't think it would support its weight. I think it is more symbolic of a doorway.
Of a doorway or since that's where the paranormal belief system with people is at right now. Yeah, I mean that's where their belief system is. So yeah, they love that stuff. I'm trying to be more practical, but you just never know. So anyways, we're just going to keep on and keep on. Hopefully we find some more new symbolic. Where did this break? Let me look at this. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Arch.
Oh yeah.
Spear. How many times have we seen, you know what that symbolic is the equinox? I think that's when that's called, is when it's the equinox symbols that you've seen.
It's like a compass too.
Exactly. Yeah, but I can't see.
What is that? The ships. What is that they use? Looks like the ships when they use navigational stuff. You know what I'm talking about? Has that same shape.
Yeah, the same arch.
Sextant.
A sextant. Okay, right. But where did it break from, Susan? Because look see the break is there. It's turned upside down. Here's the bottom. And he used it so that could be bowed. It's holding the bow. I'll be darned.
And look at that whiter.
Oh yeah. See, these are the little subtleties that you come to learn when you're in the Rocky Mountains. That's telling you they're here. Okay, it's not always extravagant. I mean, look at this. It's just, where did this? How could this have just laid here?
Yeah, look at it.
It's like a big walking stick. It's just laid.
And it's absolutely lined up with the other one.
What? Which? Oh,
This section or whatever that thing is.
yeah. I saw something about the equal. Hold on, something's dark over there, guys. Hold on. What is that? Could be a tree. Might just be a dark. We're gonna move that way and find out. Things are starting to get good over here, so we're not stopping. We're like, okay, well, let's just keep going. So we have a perch. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Get a footprint?
Yeah, something stepped there. It's not. It's ambiguous, but you can see it. Something
Something there,
brushed the
yeah.
dirt up and hit it. It's like a footprint.
This nest down here.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Birds are going nuts over here too.
This is where I got the clacking on my
The rock
right
clacking.
in this area.
Okay. Well, we just found his perch. Oh, there's bows and stuff. This just looks like just a tree fell and just made a mess. This doesn't look like it's been manipulated here. Oh, but God dang, what a day for 2020. Obviously, our buddy here, I call him the descendant of Brutus because he's young.
Look at that over there
The cave?
with all the logs stacked up. You see it?
Which way you point? Oh, yeah, look.
Yeah.
See, he's just knocking stuff over. This is just like typical Bigfoot behavior. It's like nothing special, it's just typical.
Look at this.
Oh,
Another arch with a spear.
same symbol as just back there.
Yeah. Look at
But
that
this
arch
is
over there.
very old.
That's old, yeah.
But we were we're moving back towards the boulder field where the caves were. We were up there. That's where all those caves are. But see how many boulders there? This is why they call it the Rocky Mountains, by the way. Yeah. Actually, well, now I think I have seen this one. Okay, this one is in a video from, God, what, 10 years ago maybe. But yeah, we're still in the same hot zone, moving towards the caves in the boulder field. There's solid granite boulders. Oh. Very cool. We got a perch. I've never seen that. Well, we did at Reynolds. We saw that one up there.
It was like perfect.
Yeah.
It was like perfectly laid straight, absolutely straight.
At 10 foot.
Yeah.
It's almost exactly like he just put it there. Goodness gracious. Okay. Next segment we're going to move on to, and hopefully we might have to put all these together. We'll see. So we found a perch. We're going to keep moving on, see what else we can find.